Today we're going to be looking at how to convert yards to inches and inches to yards. We have a couple of examples that we're going to work through together here, so let's get started. For question number 1, we can see that we're being asked to convert 4 yards into inches. Well, as we can see up top here highlighted in yellow, 1 yard is equal to 36 inches. So when we have 4 yards, we can think of that as 4 equal groups of 36. So for us to convert yards into inches, we're going to multiply the value of our yards, which in this case is 4, by 36. And when we multiply 4 times 36, we get 144. So when we convert 4 yards into inches, we get 144 inches. Now moving on to question number 2, where this time we're being asked to convert 10 yards into inches. Well, since there's 36 inches for each yard, we're going to multiply the value of our yards here, which in this case is 10, by 36. And when we multiply 10 times 36, we get 360. So when we convert 10 yards into inches, we get 360 inches. Now moving on to question number 3, where this time we're being asked to convert 72 inches into yards. Well, since there's 36 inches in each yard, in order for us to convert our inches into yards, we're going to divide the value of our inches, which in this case is 72, by 36. And when we divide 72 by 36, we get 2. So 72 inches converts into 2 yards. Now moving on to question number 4, where this time we're being asked to convert 252 inches into yards. And since each yard contains 36 inches, we're going to divide the value of our inches of 252 by 36 in order to convert our inches into yards. Well, when we divide 252 by 36, we get 7. So when we convert 252 inches into yards, we get 7 yards. So hopefully by now you understand how to convert yards to inches and inches to yards. Help make math less complicated by smashing those like and subscribe buttons. As always, enjoy today's math journey.